Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called course schedule 3. It's the second day May lead coding challenge. Let's solve it. There are n different online courses numbered from 1 to n. You are given an array courses where courses I equal to duration and last day. Indicate that the ith course should be taken continuously for duration I days and must be finished before on last day. You will start the first day and you cannot take two or more courses simultaneously. Return the maximum number of courses that you can take. So we've been given a set of courses, and those courses also have been represented by a array where the first number is the starting date of that course, and the second number which has been given is the ending day of the course. So between that, you need to start the course and end the course. So we have to find out how many number of courses that we can take uh, if we start on the first day. So here, if we see, the start date for the first course is 100 and the second and the last day is 200. The start day of the second course is 200 and the last day is 1300. And the start day of the third course is 1000 and the last day is 1250. The start day of the fourth course is 2000 and the end day is 3200. So if we see, if you want to take a course, then we start at the first course and we take that. Now the course will end at 200. So I decide to take the next course, which is starting at 200 and ends at 1300. Now we come to the third course, but we see the start day is 1000 and we just ended the course which was 1300. So we can't take the course which starts from 1000, which is less than the ending day of the previous course. So we don't take that, and then we take the third course because it starts from 2000 and ends at 13,000. Sorry, 32,000. So we can take three courses, and similarly in here we can start on the first day and end on the second day, and we don't have any other number of courses, therefore we can take only one. Now here 3 2 and 4 3. So we start on the first day, and on the first day there's no course to take, so we don't have anything to take, right? So we return 0 here. So now what we understand that we need to find the number of courses here, maximum number of courses, comparing the different courses which are there, comparing the number of the start date and the end date of the courses. So what we can do is we can either use map or a priority queue to to store the end day uh, end day of the courses and check what is the if the end day if the sum of the number of courses that you've taken, if the start day of the start if the sum of the start days of the number of courses that you've taken is greater than the current courses end day. If it's greater, then we just remove that course and we insert another course. So that's what we have to do here. So let's solve it. First, I'll be sorting it by the ending dates. So I think yeah, okay. So we'll sort it by the ending date. So sort courses dot begin courses dot end. Then we make a comparator because we have to sort it from the ending date. So sorry, comparator vector int and ampersand a vector int ampersand b. Now we return that b of 1 should be greater than a of 1. Okay, this will sort the number of sort the courses by the ending date. Then what we have to do is we have to first maintain a priority queue, or maybe you can use a map. So I'll be doing it by priority queue. So int, let's name it pq. So in C++, priority queue is default max heap. So we'll be storing the maximum element on the top. So now let's iterate through the courses. Let's write ampersand so it doesn't create a copy. So now for iterating through the courses, as I said, I'll be maintaining the sum of the courses, sum of the start days of the number of courses that you're considering. So sum would be equal to courses of courses start day, and we'll be first pushing the start day into the max heap. Now we'll check if the sum is greater than the end day of that course. If it is greater, then we don't consider that course. Therefore, we do pq dot pop, but we also have to remove from the sum. So sum minus pq dot top before that. Now this will iterate through all the number of courses that we have right now here, and we'll find the course which has the end day smaller, end day as bigger than the sum of the first days or the starting days of the number of courses that you've taken till now. So in this way, we have a heap, or maybe any data structures, maybe use a map, we have that size as the number of courses that you can take. So we return pq dot size here. So yeah, that sums it up. So what we did here, let's run it together. First we sorted it by the second or the ending day of particular course, and then we created a max heap to store the number of store the courses by their starting days. So we consider each courses, and we also maintain a sum, and we do the cumulative sum of the start day of each course. And now we check if the sum is greater than the ending day of that particular course that we are considering. If it is greater, then we can't consider it, right? So therefore we remove that particular course from the priority queue, and we return the size of the priority queue, which will give us the number of courses that we can take. So let's run the code to see if everything is right. Yeah. All right, that is accepted. So I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it. It's an amazing problem. And yes, do solve it. Thank you.